SuperbMelt is one of the leading manufacturers of quality industrial jewelry equipment. We are committed to improving the quality of products and services by providing high-quality and cost-effective products that meet the needs of our customers. We specialize in gold melting machines, gold casting machines, gold chain knitting machines, gold chain welding machines, jewelry laser welding machines and fiber laser marking machines, etc. Our products are widely used in the jewelry industry and so on. With rich experience in designing and production, our products are sold worldwide. Due to the stable quality and low maintenance, we have gained consistent high praise from customers. SuperbMelt always stands in the customer's point of view to think about the problem. We make great efforts to provide customers with the most appropriate production solutions. SuperbMelt Jewelry Chain's production line can include trace chain, belcher chain, curb chain, hayseed chain, snake chain, bead chain, rope chain, Figaro chain, etc. SuperbMelt provides you with a one-stop solution for gold jewelry chain manufacturing lines, including on-site guidance, jewelry chain production equipment, and engineers to help you expand throughout the process. Our engineers have participated in the research of various styles of jewelry chains and have served as technical consultants for major jewelry chain manufacturers. We at SuperbMelt are committed to offering top-notch machines to make your jewelry chain making process faster and better. We are here to help the industries to keep up with the ongoing innovative drive. We have perfect solutions for you.